Hey there fellow cyclists! Today we are diving into the heart of your biking experience, your tires. Whether you are a speed demon, a long-distance adventurer, or a trailblazer, having the right bicycle tubes can make or break your ride. In this video, we'll be exploring 7 top-notch contenders that promise to revolutionize your cycling experience. Get ready to discover the AR Pro Race 28 Bike Tube Bundle, the Continental Racer 28 inner tubes, the Kenda Black MTB tubes and more. Let's roll into the details. The first position of our list, we have the Bell Bike tubes, the reliable workhorse in the cycling world. Crafted with precision, these tubes boost a design that combines durability with efficiency. The high-quality rubber construction ensures a smooth and puncture-resistant ride, making them ideal for both urban commutes and off-road trails. Bell Bike tubes also shine in usability with easy installation and compatibility across a wide range of tire sizes. When it comes to durability, these tubes stand the test of time, handling various terrains and weather conditions like a champ. The secret lies in their robust build and reinforced valve stem. Speaking of features, the Bell Bike tubes come equipped with a standard shredder valve, making inflation a breeze with commonly available pumps. Effective and dependable, these tubes are a staple for cyclists who value performance without compromising on longevity. If you are seeking a reliable companion for your biking adventures, the Bell Bike tubes deserve a spot on your must-have list. At number 2, we have the Schwinn inner tube, a game-changer in the world of bicycle tubes. Ever been frustrated by unexpected punctures ruining your ride? Schwinn inner tubes come to the rescue with the innovative self-sealing technology. The tube is filled with a special sealant that actively seals punctures on the go, ensuring you won't be sidelined by a flat tire. Beyond its problem-solving capabilities, the Schwinn inner tube also excels in design and quality. The tube is made from high-grade materials, providing a durable and resilient solution for both casual riders and avid cyclists. Usability is a highlight with easy installation and compatibility with various tire sizes. In terms of effectiveness, Schwinn inner tubes offer peace of mind on the road or trail. The self-sealing technology minimizes the impact of punctures, allowing you to focus on enjoying your ride rather than worrying about flats. If you are tired of interruptions and want a reliable tube that keeps you rolling, the Schwinn inner tube is a top-tier choice. The number 3 position is held by Goodyear Presta valve tubes, setting a new standard in cycling excellence. These tubes combine a sleek design with top-notch quality to deliver an exceptional riding experience. The Presta valve design is a standout feature, offering improved airflow and compatibility with high-pressure tires commonly found on road bikes. Usability meets sophistication with the Goodyear Presta valve tube, as the valve's slender profile caters to riders seeking enhanced aerodynamics. The durability factor is not compromised with the tube constructed from premium materials that withstand the rises of different riding conditions. When it comes to features, these tubes shine with their versatility and effectiveness. Suitable for both casual and professional cyclists, the Goodyear Presta valve tube ensures a smooth and efficient ride every time. If you are looking to upgrade your cycling gear with a touch of elegance and performance, these tubes are a worthy investment. The number 4 position is dominated by Schwinn replacement tube, the reliable choice for riders who prioritize a seamless cycling experience. These tubes are crafted with a focus on design, usability, and overall effectiveness. The durable rubber construction ensures a long lifespan, making them an excellent replacement option for various tire sizes. Usability is a key highlight with straightforward installation and compatibility with a range of Schwinn bikes. The reinforced valve stem add an extra layer of durability, ensuring these tubes can handle the demands of diverse terrains. When it comes to features, the Schwinn replacement tube is a straightforward yet effective solution for cyclists of all levels. Whether you are cruising through the city or tackling challenging trails, these tubes deliver consistent performance. If you are in search of a reliable replacement tube that ticks all the boxes, look no further than the Schwinn replacement tube. At number 5, we have the AR Pro Race 28 Bike Tube Bundle, a game-changer for serious riders. Crafted with precision and designed for high performance, these tubes are engineered to meet the demands of racing enthusiasts and avid cyclists alike. The core of these tubes lies in their superior quality materials. The AR Pro bundle boasts a unique blend of lightweight yet robust compounds that ensure maximum durability and resilience against punctures. The attention to detail in the design minimizes rolling resistance, allowing for an efficient transfer of power to the road. What sets the AR Pro apart is its usability. Installing these tubes is a breeze thanks to their user-friendly design. The bundle comes with everything you need for a quick and hassle-free setup, making it an ideal choice for riders who value both speed and convenience. Durability is where the AR Pro truly shines. With a focus on longevity, these tubes are built to withstand the toughest terrains and the harshest conditions. Say goodbye to frequent tube replacements and hello to an uninterrupted cycling experience. At number 6, we have the Continental Race 28 inner tubes, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation in the cycling world. These tubes have earned their stripes among cyclists seeking top-notch quality for their rides. Quality is the hallmark of Continental, and their Race 28 inner tubes lives up to this reputation. Constructed with precision-engineered materials, these tubes offer a perfect balance between weight and durability. The seamless integration of advanced technology ensures a consistent and dependable performance on the road. Usability is a key factor in the design of Continental Race 28 inner tubes. The straightforward installation process caters to riders of all skill levels. Additionally, the tubes are compatible with a wide range of tire sizes, providing flexibility for cyclists with diverse preferences. Durability is where Continental excels. These tubes are built to withstand the rises of intense rides, making them an excellent choice for cyclists who demand longevity from their equipment. The reinforced construction minimizes the risk of punctures, giving you peace of mind during your cycling adventures. Continental's commitment to innovation is evident in the features of the Race 28 inner tubes. From enhanced valve design to optimized rolling resistance, every detail contributes to an efficient and smooth ride. The effectiveness of these tubes is further emphasized by their ability to maintain consistent air pressure, ensuring a reliable performance on any terrain. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Kenda Black MTB tubes, crafted for the trailblazers who crave adventure on off-road terrain. Kenda has established itself as a go-to brand for mountain biking enthusiasts, and these tubes are a testament to their commitment to quality. Quality is the cornerstone of Kenda's reputation, and the Black MTB tubes are no exception. Engineered with rugged materials, these tubes are designed to withstand the challenges of mountain biking. The robust construction ensures resistance against punctures and abrasions, providing reliability on unpredictable trails. Usability is a priority for Kenda, and the Black MTB tubes are tailored for easy installation. The user-friendly design caters to riders who value a quick setup without compromising on performance. These tubes are compatible with a variety of tire sizes, offering flexibility for different mountain bike models. Durability is where Kenda shines in the off-road realm. The Black MTB tubes are built to handle the rough and tumble of mountain biking, providing a durable solution for riders who tackle challenging terrains. The reinforced build minimizes the risk of flats, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the trail. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the 7 best bicycle tubes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cycling content, and hit that bell to stay updated. Check the description for links to the featured tubes and share your favorite in the comments below. Keep those tires rolling, and we'll catch you on the next ride. Happy cycling!